Welcome to our training on Shipping Settings Automation, also known as SSA. Customers like purchasing products with quick delivery times. If you fulfill your own orders, offering accurate delivery promises can be difficult. To achieve this, you'll have to estimate how long carriers take to deliver to different regions by keeping track of each carrier's delivery performance. When customers shop in the Amazon store, they see the delivery promise you set. On average, sellers overestimate the number of days shipping will take by 53%, resulting in unnecessarily long delivery promises that are less appealing to customers. With SSA, you can provide more accurate delivery promises while eliminating the need to manually estimate transit times to different regions. This training will cover how SSA works and how to enable SSA on your new and existing shipping templates. SSA provides more accurate delivery promises that are automatically calculated based on your warehouse locations, each customer's location, and the carriers you use. Here's how it works. First, you'll select your warehouse addresses and which shipping services you use. Then you'll assign your seller-fulfilled ASINs to your SSA-enabled shipping template. Amazon then auto-calculates your optimized transit times and continues to refresh carrier data to ensure these times are always up to date. Customers will see your accurate delivery promise on your product detail page, improving the likelihood of a purchase. Once a purchase is made, you'll ship the order using the shipping services enabled in your SSA shipping template. And once your order is in transit, you'll have peace of mind knowing your shipment will arrive to the customer closer to the promised delivery date. To enable SSA on your shipping templates, sign in to Seller Central. Hover over the Settings icon and select Shipping Settings. On the Shipping Templates page, create a new shipping template or edit an existing one to activate SSA. To create a new shipping template with SSA enabled, select Create New Shipping Template and click OK. A pop-up window will appear where you'll select your warehouse location. The locations you select will indicate where the SKUs linked to this shipping template will be shipped from. Once selected, click Next to proceed to your fulfillment preferences. On this step, you'll indicate your carrier preferences and select the shipping services you use to fulfill orders. Finally, review your selections and click Confirm to finish. You'll then be directed to the Create a New Shipping Template page where you can review and edit your shipping options, regions, and rates. Review this information, and if everything is correct, click Save at the bottom of the page. Once your template is saved, begin assigning your ASINs to your newly created SSA template. To do this, visit the Manage Inventory page. Here, select the ASINs you'd like to add to your shipping template. Once selected, click the Edit drop-down and select Change Shipping Template. To enable SSA on an existing shipping template, select the template name you'd like to edit on the Shipping Templates page. Once selected, click Edit Template and follow the same steps provided for creating a new shipping template. For more information on SSA, search for Shipping Settings Automation in Seller Central. This concludes our SSA training. You now have the tools to enable SSA on your shipping templates and to provide quicker, more accurate delivery promises for customers. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.